Hi, Sue here from A Life More Organised. I'm popping on today to talk a little bit about decluttering during the lockdown period. Now, we're not just spending more time at home at the moment, we're spending all our time at home with everyone. Our homes have never been busier. They're doubling up as workplaces, schools, playgrounds, gyms, everything. And all that activity is creating more stuff around the house. And if you don't have a home for everything, then there's a potential that there could be stuff everywhere causing clutter. You may have heard me talking before about the link between clutter and cortisol, which is the stress hormone. Now, some people find that if they see things around on the floor, they can't switch off, and it just creates a rising level of stress, which actually at the moment is something you really want to avoid because there's so much else going on out there in the outside world that our stress levels are already at an all-time high. Doing something proactive like decluttering and tidying up around your home is going to lower your stress levels and have a positive benefit on your well-being. It's also great because it helps you to take some control back. Now, we don't have a lot of control over what's going on in the outside world at the moment, but having that little bit of control about how our homes look and feel will help us relax and feel like we're doing something positive. All our normal routines and structure have gone. We're not able to do the things that we would typically do in our everyday normal lives. And if we're not careful, we can slip into watching Netflix 24/7, or even worse, having news on a constant reel. Or we just tend to go on social media, which isn't great because we just get a feed of information all the time and don't ever switch off. Having a purpose and a plan is a great way of making sure that you get things done and you don't just end the day feeling like you've not achieved anything. Writing things on the plan and breaking them up into maybe smaller little chunks that you can tick off as you go through means you can actually see what you've achieved, and it's great because there are going to be things that you've put off in the past that have seemed like tasks you can't do in half an hour. Well, actually, if you just nail it in that half an hour, you'll feel like you've really done something positive, which is going to be great.